Is your Wi-Fi hotspot tethering not turning on or grayed out? When I try to turn on my hotspot, as you can see, it's grayed out and it doesn't respond to any input. And there are all kinds of solutions that I read about online and tried them, such as rebooting in safe mode, running a malware antivirus scan, deleting apps and programs that may have affected it. But before spending all your time trying that, try this simple solution. Simply go into your settings by swiping down the screen. Then go down to an icon that says Data Saver and click it to turn it off. Then go back to your network settings, back to your tethering, and that's it. Wi-Fi hotspot will now be working again. My particular phone is an LG V50 ThinQ Android OS. Simple as that. So I thought I'd share it with you. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to give a like, share, and subscribe for more. And until next time.